When I come to Atlanta, you know I gotta hook up with my buddy Chef G. Garvin. Cause it's this cat's hometown, and he knows the killer food scene around here.
Man, that baby's got some horsepower.
I can't believe you drove it that way, dude.
Dude, I told you, if you come to Atlanta, I'd bring you to the Real Deal Deli right here.
In all these new buildings, Real Deal Deli.
My man.
This is the General Muir.
Your room is table 4 up.
This is a great Jewish deli.
Matzo ball soup. Everything's made from scratch.
Got the pastrami sandwich.
It feels like New York. And with the tile to the ceiling.
Bentwood chairs, patinaed brass, the whole bit, yeah.
It's got the groove.
Yep.
And that groove comes from New Jersey transplant Todd Ginsburg, who got some advice about opening this joint with his partners in 2012.
My grandparents owned a deli, and my dad said, you should think about opening a deli. You're having a kid.
That was it. So
That's it.
Why is General Muir?
My partner, Jennifer Johnson, her grandparents were Holocaust survivors and came over on a U.S. refugee ship called the General Muir.
Unbelievable story.
Isn't that great?
That's unbelievable.
Chef Todd honors that every day by keeping this place real deal.
They do some creative stuff, but they're still nailing the things that are really touchstones about Jewish delis.
Number one thing on the menu.
Love the hash.
Smoke hash to the window.
So tasty, it's so tender, it's amazing.
Chef, what are we into?
Pastrami.
Oh, I am bodied by pastrami.
Love pastrami.
How are we doing it, Chef?
All right, we're making the brine, water, salt, sugar,
Okay.
definitely pink salt, garlic, cloves, peppercorns, coriander seed, crushed red chili flakes, bay leaf.
What is this thing, the Injector 9000?
It is.
Have you had your flu shot?
Yes, sir.
Lucky.
Thank you for your concern.
Ah, I'm here.
We're gonna put that in there like that. Taking out half of the brisket here,
Let me see you work your wicked needle.
so like this. There we go.
Now we're gonna pour the rest over it.
Yep.
And it's gonna go 10 days.
Yeah.
After the 10 days, bring it out, and then we're gonna hit it with the dry rub
Yep. In coriander and peppercorns.
and go to the smoker.
Smoked for about 8 hours. Low as we can go.
No one slow to the dough.
And then we steam it for about 6 hours. That looks good to me.
All right, now we're gonna make the hash.
Start with some schmaltz.
Just straight up chicken fat.
Potatoes. Now we're adding our diced pastrami. Salting the potatoes. A little fresh pepper.
Nice golden brown.
Peppers. Caramelized onions. A little cabbage. Now we're gonna mix it up.
That's happy hash right there, dude.
A couple eggs in there. Some parsley. All right. Our smoked hash.
Dude, the pastrami, it's the extra bark on the outside, that smoke. The added piece of the cabbage is totally key. Caramelized onion's really nice. Love the red bell pepper. You need that color in there.
Nice and tender. It's unbelievable.
What's your favorite thing on the menu?
This.
The Maven.
Maven up.
Maven in Yiddish does mean expert. It is an expertly made platter.
And it just is so good.
The trout salad is a takeoff on the white fish that we'd normally get in New York. I love that.
I think everybody's gonna be really happy coming here.
You guys have not only brought an original taste, but you brought the original attitude about how you're doing it. Outstanding, Chef.
Killing it. Putting George on the map.
We're loading my trunk right now with corned beef pastrami and bagels, also some of the smoked fish, and yes, G, you can drive home.
Boom, boom, baby.